Greetings. This is a quick overview of Otto. First, let's say that Otto is an intelligent assistant. It's basically a robot who will answer your emails and allow you to work with Otto to post blog entries. It's kind of like blogging by email on steroids. Why it's good? Well, because Otto's always there. You can always send him an email from any device, and allows you to focus on creating your blog entry while Otto worries about posting the blog entry to your website and formatting it. And one thing I'll say is that even though Otto takes a little work to learn, no one who has ever used Otto has ever gone back to the old way of doing their blog entries. It's a great way to work. Otto will take emails from any device that can send an email. So it means if you're an internet cafe, you can send an email to Otto. If you're on your cell phone, you want to post pictures to Otto, no problem. If you're on your computer, a camera that'll send email, all kinds of devices. Who should consider using Otto? Anybody who's a frequent blogger. Even though Otto really works best in or was written initially for a low bandwidth environment, I have good internet most of the time. I still use Otto. I love Otto. It works great for posting blog entries. If you're only going to do a blog entry once, then maybe it's not worth it. But otherwise, I would give Otto a try. How does Otto work? Well, you send Otto requests. And requests might be the pictures for a blog entry, the text for an entry. Ask Otto to format your blog entry and send it back to you so you can see how it looks, or to post it on your site. What does an Otto request look like? Well, it's just a standard email. Within this one, you can see here, I'm starting a new blog entry. I've got my customer number there. Once you sign up to use Otto, you get assigned a customer number, and you'll use that in every email that you send to Otto, just so he kind of knows who you are and can tie it off to which blog you have. And here I'm just giving him the title. Here, I'm sending him some pictures. You see a email with some pictures attached. Once again, I've got the customer number. In this case, my request is I'm sending some pictures for a blog entry. And in the prior request, he would have written back and said, okay, I started your blog entry, and it's going to be blog entry 1. The next time we start one, it'll be blog entry 2. Here's actually the text going up. And you see the request is now blog text. And within the text, you'll see some places where I put picture 1 here, put picture 2 here. When I sent Otto the pictures, he sent me back a nice little index card telling me which picture was which. And here you see the captions. And that's it. That's really how easy it is to use Otto.